Today, you're going to learn how to know whether you need to file a tax return using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll walk you through the exact prompts to help you understand if you're required to file in either the UK or the US. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, employees, freelancers, side hustlers, crypto traders, and anyone unsure about their tax obligations. Before you begin, think about the different types of income you received this year. This includes employment income, freelance work, rental income, dividends, crypto trades, or any money earned outside your main job. If you're not sure what counts as taxable income, the first prompt will help you figure that out. Once you're ready, start with this simple prompt. Create a checklist to help me know if I need to file a tax return in the UK or US. Make it beginner friendly. This gives you an instant overview of common filing requirements based on country rules. Next, personalize it to your situation with this prompt. Ask me questions about my income, side hustles, and investments. Then tell me if I need to file a tax return. After answering a few questions, you'll receive a clear yes or no, along with the reasons why. If you want extra clarity, use this prompt. Summarize the filing rules for my country in simple terms and explain which ones apply to me. This helps you understand how the rules fit your specific scenario. If you're unsure about certain types of income, like crypto, rental earnings, dividends, or freelance work, use this. Tell me whether this type of income requires a tax return and give me a simple example. You can paste in whatever income source you're confused about. Before finalizing your answer, double check using this accuracy prompt. Give me a short checklist of common mistakes people make when figuring out if they need to file a tax return. This helps you avoid missing important details. Finally, set yourself up for next year with this habit prompt. Create a simple monthly routine I can follow to track my income so it's easy to know if I need to file a tax return next year. And that's it. Understanding whether you need to file a tax return becomes much easier when you follow these steps and keep your records organized. Use these prompts, stay consistent, and always confirm details with HMRC or the IRS if you're unsure. These steps work perfectly when used inside ChatGPT. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.